In the span of the last 2 years, I've opened around between 14 to 20 FTB channels, and I got results on most of them, like really decent results in thousands, even like tens of thousands of views per video. So this strategy is really repeatable, and you have to understand basically one thing to really get the mindset done and to really be able to repeat this over and over and over and scale one channel after another. In this video, I'm not gonna show you just how, but explain the mindset behind all of this, because this is really about the mindset. This is really about being consistent. Small spoiler. This is not about the niche, not about the stuff that most people on gurus on YouTube are trying to sell you on. So let me just switch the scene and let's dive into it. So this is my main channel, which I've been like on and off, like around for 3 to 4 years. I've been on and off posting different types of beats, and for the last year, I've been making big mistake actually. I've been trying to transition this channel into a different niche, because if you know the story of my type beats of my channel, of my channels, I started out with the Crystal Castles, like techno club beats, heavily influenced by electronic music, and I grew a part of this sound. I was really became bored, and today I'm gonna teach you the mistake I committed over and over and over and over again. And the things actually changed when I stopped doing this, because it's not about what do you do, what are your actions right now. It's about what you don't do. So, as you can probably see, the video that is on the screen right now is performing really good. It's doing the best views out of last couple, like last 10. Because recently I've been implementing the strategy to revive this channel and uploading the beats which I started with. And the strategy is working, no surprises here. And I've been thinking of like terminating this channel and just moving on, but I didn't. I decided to keep it on. I tried to get some use of my audience here. I tried to basically retransition it to a different sound, and over the, like, let me open it up. Like, I made really different beats. You see here 23 beats, like dark swag beats. I've even made at one point indie beats, but it all worked, like to Holly's beats, jerk beats, like, and anything I've done was with mixed results, really. And now, when I just got back to the beats I've been doing, like, see, the results aren't crazy. That's 200, 250. But I see from experience, what I have like plenty of in type beats, that this is gonna work, because your channel is destined to be what it starts, like the niche you started with. You have to be loyal as your fucking girlfriend. Like, you will never be to your girlfriend, you know? You can never, and repeat after me, you can never switch a niche when the channel is like above 1K, 2K, 3K even. There is no option. There are some channels that are mixing the niches, the artists, those are exceptions. But for most of you, for most niches, for most examples, you cannot do that. And I was in a big delusion. I was thinking I was trying different stuff, and basically that was a big waste of time. But not really, because I learned many other things along the way. But you cannot do this. You just can't. And let me just show you the analytics, because how would I know it's gonna work? Like, you can see it here. So if you just look at the ratio of likes to views, which is absolutely mad. That's a 10% ratio for the, I think that's 10%, like, yeah. The 10% ratio for a video is absolutely crazy. And it means this is not really often spoken about, and I don't know why, but likes and comments, but really mostly likes, are the indicator that the channel is healthy and the channel is going in a good direction. So I had channels like where the engagement was really, really sucky, and even I got good views, those views led to nothing. Like I can show you my different channel as well. Like here, the ratio is also crazy. Like we have 200 likes, we have some comments here, like 8 comments. For 3K views, that's really, really good results. And with that in mind, with that ability that I possess, that I gained over the channels, like all the shit, I can already tell which channel is gonna be successful. And it's, for example, this one. I just thought of re-uploading my jerk beats, and I'm trying this strategy, and I have like 80% certainty that this channel is gonna blow up, because like when you see the first few videos, 38 views and 3 likes for a brand new channel, not posted, like this is 5th or 6th video, bro. Those are crazy results. For nowadays the algorithm works differently, and the new channels work really, really in a different manner. It always changes up. So this is why I think my community is really, really useful, because I can share my insight on your channel. I can tell you stuff that you probably didn't know because you don't have that much experience. And it's not about just watching a couple tutorials. Don't be misled. And I am not trying to say that with just my tutorials and just like other people's, you're gonna succeed, bro. No, you have to go get dirty, get in the trenches, make some fucking beats, and try it out. But you can skip a lot of the guesswork with my experience, for example. So my community is the first link in the description. That will be it from me today. Join my community. Here I'm offering a personal help on your type channel. Don't make some mistakes like I did. When the channel is categorized, it's basically GG. So either make a new channel, think of new aesthetic, and just think about it like getting clean. You are not getting clean by eating different food every day. No, you're getting clean by eating the same shit over and over and over again. Bye bye, bro.